What's up, squash players? It is unboxing day here on Squash Source, and we have some rackets from Dunlop. Big thanks to Phil from Dunlop for sending me these rackets to review. I'm just gonna show you the cosmetics today, and I'm gonna be getting on court and trying them over the next few weeks. So let's take a look at these babies. These are Hyperfiber XT models. This is an updated version of their some of their existing rackets, plus a couple goggles. So hang on. Oh boy, we got these things are secure. We've got the Hyperfiber Revelation model. This is the 125. Oh, sorry, this is the Revelation Junior. Whoops. Okay, so we've got we're going to be giving the Junior model a try, which actually I'm pretty excited about, because I've often wondered. I often get questions about Junior rackets, and so this will give me a chance to actually hit with one. Let's see what else we got in here. This one is the 135 model, which is sponsored by the Malaysian player whose name I'm not going to attempt to pronounce. Maybe somebody can give me a demonstration. Ian? I don't think so. Yao. I need some practice on that. I need a lot of help.
Namun saya Nyanyo daripada Sukan Squash.
This is the Revelation 135 again, and we've got the signature on the frame there, and this is an update of the Hyperfiber 135 from a few years ago. Fan-shaped stringy pattern, kind of cool orange grommets. Looks pretty new to me, and a cosmetics update. We've got the newer El Tayeb racket. She uses the 125. This is the one that has a greenish hue to it. 10 grams advertised less than the orange one. This has the grommets in the green color as well, and all these, by the way, I think I learned this from some Dunlop video. The design is pretty cool in that it's subtle, but you can see they have the green here, and then kind of the triangular arrow pointing to the little green spot over here. So they've even integrated it with the marketing card on there, which is pretty cool. Hang on. I'm gonna try and pop this card off. Just want to check something. Oh yeah, so the stencil does the same thing. That's what I was anticipating I would see. That's cool. Very clever. We have got the Ollie Frog model. So this is the one that's kind of a red or reddish orange or something. Same kind of concept. Got the gray, I think it's sort of gray grommets, and orangish reddish color scheme. Whoops. There's the Hyperfiber XT logo. These all have the same Dunlop grip of the past few years. Looking good this year on the cosmetics. We have a lot of wrapping. And finally, we have the other Ollie Frog model. Now, which one is which? One of them is the one I just showed you, the darker silver one, is the Revelation Pro, which is the one Frog plays with. In fact, if I can put it right side up, you'd be able to read it and you'd be able to see his signature there. And then we have the Revelation Pro Light, which is, because the Ollie Frog one, at least in the previous model, was quite head heavy, and I can feel it already. And the Pro Light was lighter. It's the same head shape, and it's got a similar cosmetic, very similar, but it has a slightly lighter silver. I might be seeing things, maybe they're the same. The grip is white. That's one way to tell. And we'll have to examine that a little bit further. But I can feel it's lighter. Still got Frog's face on there. So you can take your pick between those. No signature though. We also have a treat, the Dunlop Eye Armor goggles in some new colors. These have been around for ages. I've used them, and they've got some new colors, blue, kind of like a navy blue, royal blue perhaps, and a reddish, a dark red. That looks pretty nice with a black, kind of black temples there, as the blue has black in the background. So we're gonna give the goggles a review as well. Thanks again to Dunlop for sending me those to review. I'm going to be reviewing over the next few weeks, so make sure you stay subscribed if you want to see individual reviews and roundups of these rackets. And also, eventually, there's going to be some kind of epic Dunlop giveaway, if I'm allowed to give them away. But I'll figure something out. So hopefully that was helpful, and stay tuned for more. Thanks a lot.